Hello everyone, it's Shahid Malik and today we will learn that how to create AI videos using AI tools. So ChatGPT, it's a most famous tool right now. So let's first of all have some video content like 3 tips to be a successful copywriter. Okay, audience. So ChatGPT will write 3 tips. Pursuits of goal of copyright. Okay, so we got our video script. Now we will go to Flicky.ai and we will make an account. I have just made an account on Flicky.ai, so I will not go through the whole sign up process. It's a very simple sign up process. You just have to add your email and it's up. Okay, new file. We will want video copywriter. So create it. Okay, so first, okay, that's the sign. We can get voices.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
We can select
Flicky
any
helps
voice,
you create audio and
any
video
dialect,
content using lifelike AI voices
any
in
language.
less than a minute.
So we will go with Rachel.
Flicky helps you create audio and video
Yeah, that's
content
great.
using lifelike AI voices
So
in
apply
less
with
than a
all
minute.
the sections. So now we will first add our heading. Should be a copywriter. First of all, we have to delete this. Okay, this is the content and this is the part where you have to add the video or the image. So come to this, we can add any stock video, or we can add GIF, or we can even add AI art or just upload anything. But I used to prefer the auto pick video because the AI tool suggests the best. Okay, so let's come along more. Point number 1 here, and auto pick the video. That's it. Uh-oh, it's changed. Now it will auto pick. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so the next step, this, and auto pick the video. And the third tip, using this. Auto pick the video again. Okay, now the end. We will see our video now, like from the start, like this. Let's see how AI has worked.
3 tips to be a successful copywriter. Understand your audience. Researching and understanding your target audience is crucial for creating effective copy. Knowing your audience's demographics, pain points, and interests will help you write copy that speaks directly to them and resonates with their needs. Keep it simple and clear. Effective copy is easy to read and understand. Avoid using jargon or complex language that may confuse your audience. Instead, Use
We can also change the text settings, like if we want subtitles font color to be yellow, like this, and the subtitle background as black, large font, and I want it at the bottom. It look quite different now.
clear and simple language that gets your message across quickly and effectively.
Yeah, that's it.
Be persuasive. The goal of copywriting is to persuade your audience to take a
That's it.
specific action.
Now you
whether
just have to export this and it's done. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell.